My name is Michele Presacane. I did my bachelor in Aberystwyth in sport and exercise science, and now I'm undertaking a master degree, which is research in health and exercise. I put Aberystwyth as my first choice because Aberystwyth was among us the best in UK, and also people knew about Aberystwyth in Dublin and they advised me to go here. And one friend of mine came to Aberystwyth to study and got good feedback from him. We got an email from the department saying that there was an opportunity to get a funded master on specific type of project, and luckily one of them was fell in my not expertise but what I'm interested in, which is again physiology, nutrition, sports performance. So all I did, I developed a small plan for the company, and they liked it. The ATM people liked it, and luckily I got it funded. As you start, you feel like, wow, this is quite a lot of work to do, and I say, but after a couple of months that you get your head into it, it just becomes normal and you don't think about it anymore, you just carry on with it. The research part is quite good. The master modules cover different aspects, one of them being research, where you get an understanding of different types of research, which are, for example, quantitative, qualitative, and according usually different type of research are applied in different subjects. If you're planning a study, how you're gonna develop the study, how you're gonna carry out the study, looking at the limitation of the study, what is important to look at, so what you need to consider before carrying the study, ethical issues, and also which kind of equipment you're going to use, all these sort of things. A new aspect of this course is a new module called interdisciplinary research, which aim is to make people think about approaching a problem rather than just a physiological, from a physiological point of view, also from a psychological or from biomechanical point of view. So it's a kind of interaction of disciplines and also research methods. Facilities are fantastic. You've got a great variety of labs, from physiology testing, where you got bikes, rowing, got biomechanics labs with biodecks, and also you got small psychological lab. I'd recommend people to come here to Aberystwyth for doing a master, because the quality of teaching, and it's great. We've got very experienced lecturers and with very strong research background as well. Also, again, the facilities, the labs, there are lots of sport clubs as well. All kind of sport clubs, from judo to karate, football, rugby, volleyball, anything. Aberystwyth is very nice and small town, which helps you, to settle down, and it's quite, easy to go around. So fantastic atmosphere for people who like going out. There's plenty of party as well, so it's got everything, I think. Yeah.